Antibody choice also of you, which one you're choosing for your experiments, it must match species. This is very often overlooked, unfortunately, which can contribute to lack of results because of course vendors are not maybe disclosing the exact sequence which was used to elicit an antibody which we want to purchase, but we need to ask. And Agricera receives several questions of this type per day, uh, which are, I'm working with, for example, Setaria or some other species, and would like to use this antibody. Is it going to work? And it is actually possible to predict. The vendor who has a sequence of antigen used to elicit an antibody is able to predict if an antibody is having a potential to work or not. And please remember that, because it will save you enormous amount of time in the lab, time and frustration. Because if you choose an antibody which does not match your species, of course, there's not going to be a signal. And also you need to keep in mind that with antibodies, it is possible to obtain false positive results. So sometimes in publications, I find that an antibody, Agricera antibody, is used on a species where there's no conservation, but the result is a published band. And if I find it in time, I am contacting the authors. It is also possible to predict if an antibody is going to match an application, because if an antibody was made to a short peptide chosen from the inside of the protein, which is not in a protein fold, which is kind of hidden in some loop, this antibody is not going to be suitable for immunoprecipitation. Remember, we need an antibody either for work on the natured protein, or if we want to use an antibody in native techniques, it needs to be done to a part which will be exposed, and therefore antibody can bind. So it is really crucial that before you use any antibody which you receive from a colleague or which you purchase, you actually do that check. It will really save you a lot of time.